Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Wednesday, and I told you that today I will complete the story, that is the 100 Dresses Part 2. Previous two videos we have learned that we came to know that about Wanda Petruszky, her winning of dresses, Maddie, Peggy, and that Peggy, how she has started teasing Wanda, and that other girls joined over there, and at last they have left the school, leaving one letter, sending one letter to the class teacher, Miss Mason, by Wanda Petruszky's father. And that after that the students, they started thinking over that matter, and then Maddie and Peggy, they went to Buggins Heights to stop Wanda and to apologize, but they could not meet because already Wanda have left. So now that the last chance to just meet and to stop Wanda and to apologize, that that has gone. So now what? That Peggy and Maddie, both of them, they have returned to their home, but Maddie, she could not forget Wanda. That always that Wanda was there in her mind, and always she was thinking about Wanda, and that from next time how she would stop all sorts of bullying. That Saturday afternoon, that Maddie and Peggy, both of them, they spent together, and then they decided that they will write a letter to Wanda, and they started and they will apologize through the letter. They have started the letter, but they could not have the courage to tell Wanda that to forgive them. Rather, they have started that letter in a very friendly way. They told that they asked Wanda that where now where she is living, how that place is, and that they all are missing, and all these things. And they that after all they have written lots of love for their friend Wanda, and they have written, they put the address of Buggins Heights, and then they have written that please forward, because they did not know the address. They have dropped the letter, but that 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks, that neither any reply, no reply came from Wanda. But neither the reply came, nor the letter they have sent, it was returned to them. So that now they started thinking that Wanda have received the letter, but Wanda is so much hurt and so much angry that she is not sending any reply to them. Peggy, she is just now returning back to her own daily routine, but Maddie could not forget Wanda. And that always that the nights she used to spend, that by that how she would stop Wanda, the bullying of others, and how she would act, that whenever the girls would come and start telling that teasing Wanda, that time she would say stop, and everybody would be ashamed, and everybody would leave Wanda. Now the winter season has now the winter season has come, and that the Christmas, that winter season means that celebration of Christmas, and everywhere that snow falling has been started, and that the students, they have that decorated their room with bells and small tree, Christmas tree. and that the school will remain closed for Christmas, and that before that the holiday, Miss Mason again came, and she told them that she received a letter from Wanda Petronovsky, and that the letter, and she was very happy, and she told that now she would be able to send the medal to Wanda Petronovsky, medal which she won in the drawing competition. The letter was very nice, and that Wanda Petronovsky, she has written that she is missing the school and the place where she is living, that is good, but that she is missing all the girls and Miss Mason, especially because the new school, the new teacher cannot compare with Miss Mason. And at the end, that she told that the dresses, the girls, they can keep the dresses, and especially the green dress was given to Piggy and the blue dress was given to Maddie. And that Maddie and Piggy, both of them, they have taken that the drawings which was mentioned by Wanda for them, and when they returned home, especially Maddie, she just hang the drawing that in her room, where that the wallpaper was damaged and that was torn, and at that place Wanda had put the drawing. And Wanda's room was also shabby, but when she put the drawing over there, that was so drizzling and the color was so vibrant that then and there the room becomes very much beautiful. And now when she was looking at the picture, that she started that her eyes filled with tears, and she could not look at she could not see the picture because it was blurred. When your eyes will be filled with tears, will you be able to see anything clearly? No. And that the same thing, the same images were coming in Wanda's mind, in Maddie's mind, that how they were teasing, and that how Wanda was just she was very calm and quiet, she was silent, and that before giving the answer, how she tightened her lips into tightened her lips, and so that all these things and all these memories were coming in Maddie's mind, and she started weeping, and that then that she wiped up her eyes and she looked at the drawing intensely, minutely. Then she found that actually it was not only the dress, there was a face, head, and means it was a complete drawing, and the color was so prominent, so vibrant, that she has not noticed, and it was Maddie's face. So that Wanda loved them, Wanda liked them, and that when she had made the drawings, that she had made the drawings of the girls also, and that finding this, Maddie went to Piggy's house by running, that to know that whether all the drawings were that made in same way. When he went to Piggy's home and he asked Piggy that Pig, that see the drawing of yours, and Piggy's drawing was kept means that in that it was turned, means that face of the drawing, it was not seen. So when Maddie came, Piggy has that take out the drawing, and Maddie went near the picture, and there also she found that it was Piggy's face. And when both of them observed that, then Piggy told that I told you that she loved us very much and she did not mind. But Wanda could not forget what they had done with Wanda Petruszky, and last chance of for them to apologize and to make everything nice has gone forever. And so it was a great pain for Maddie, and obviously she just agreed with Piggy. So this is the end of the story. This is your whole story, the 100 dresses. One more thing that Wanda has mentioned that in her new home she had more 100 dresses, so the girls can take all the 100 dresses. Means there over also Wanda had made 100 paintings more. So Wanda was just nice to them. Wanda did not keep anything in her mind. She has forgiven all, but Maddie could not forgive herself, because Maddie was very sensitive and Maddie was always thinking about Wanda Petruszky, and that always she used to just rehearse, practice in her mind to stop bullying, and in future if anybody would disturb anybody, tease anybody, obviously Maddie would stop them. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day. Stay at home. Stay